Welcome students. Today we are going to see chapter 5th practice set 25. It is simplify the following expressions. Some expressions are given to you. You have to solve and simplify them. So before starting in this exercise there is a rule how to solve this expression. That rule is called as BODMAS rule. See, this is I have written BODMAS. This is BODMAS. This rule is BODMAS. What is the full form of this? How to solve it? B means brackets. If there is in that expression, if there are brackets, so first you have to solve that bracket. After that, O means of multiplication. If like this multiplication is there, so after brackets you have to solve that. 1/4 of 20 will be 4 5s are 20. Like this you have to solve. After of function you have to do the division. D means division, M means multiplication, A means addition, and S means subtraction. If division is not there, you can go for multiplication. So this is very important. We have to solve using these steps only. That rule is called as a BODMAS. B means brackets you have to solve. If brackets is not there, if this is there of multiplication, that you have to solve first. Then division, multiplication, addition and subtraction. This is the order in which you have to solve. So this is called as BODMAS rule. So let us solve based on this practice set 25. See the first one. Simplify the following expressions. 50 multiplied by 5 divided by 2 plus 24. Now here first it is multiplication, then it is division, and then it is plus. But according to the BODMAS, we have to see first division. So here is the division. We can't multiply because after division it is multiplication. So we have to divide first. So we'll keep 50 multiply as it is. 5 divided by 2 I can write like this also. 5 upon 2 in numerator denominator form I have written. Then it is plus upon plus 24. Now we have got two expressions, multiply and multiplication and addition. So first should be multiplication, then it should be addition. So first I will do the multiplication. Now how to do this multiplication? This 2 will be getting, sorry, here nothing is there, you can take it 1. This 2 in 50's table it will get cancelled. So 2 2s are 4, 1 2 5s are 10. So here it is 25 into 5. Down nothing, 1 means nothing is remaining, then it is plus 24. So 25 5s is how much? 5 5s are 25, 5 2s are 10 and 1 12. 125 plus 24. So now it is plus only. So 125 plus 24 will be 941, 149. So this is the answer we got. Now let's move to the second one. 13 into 4, it is in bracket, divide by 2 minus 26. So according to this BODMAS, first you have to solve the bracket. So it is in bracket, so we'll solve them first. 13 into 4 is how much? 13 4s is 52. Divide by 2 minus 26. Now it is divide and multiplication. First you have to do the division, then you have to do the subtraction. So first division. So first you will divide this. 52 if you divide by 2, 2 2s are 4, 5 minus 4 is 1, take this 2 down, 2 6 is 12. So we got is 26. 26 minus 26 is 0. 26 minus 26 is 0. So answer we got 0. Let's move to the third sum. 140 divided by, this is in full bracket, minus 11 into minus 3 minus 42 divided by 14 minus 1. Now we know BODMAS. First we have to solve what? Bracket. B means bracket. So this is in bracket. So we'll solve this first. This you keep as it is, 140 divide. So 11 3s is 33 and minus minus is plus 33. Now minus minus will become plus. 42 divide 14 minus 1. Close the bracket. Again it is in bracket. So first we have to solve bracket only. So 140 divide as it is. Now inside the bracket it is plus, divide and minus. So what is the first? First you have to solve division. So we'll divide first. So 33 plus 42 divided by 14. 14 3s is 42. So 3 minus 1. Again it is inside the bracket first. So solve this bracket first. 140 divide. So it is now plus and minus. First you have to do addition. Then you have to do the subtraction. So 33 plus 3 is 36 minus 1. Now bracket only you have to solve first. So 140 divide 36 minus 1 is 35. Now 140 if you divide by 35, 35 4s is, I think so, 4 5s are 20, 4 3s are 12. Yes, 35 4s is 140. So after division we got 4. So the answer is 4. So we have done this question number 3. Now let's move to the question number 4. 220 minus 40 plus, in one more bracket, 10 into 9 plus minus 2 into 5 minus 100. Now you will see there are this curly bracket also, square bracket also, this one is square and this is simple bracket. So first we will try to solve the square simple bracket, then we will solve the square bracket, and then we will solve the curly bracket. So 220 minus 40, 220 minus 140, how much? 0. 12 minus 4 is 8, 80. So this one is 80 plus, now this square bracket, 10 nines is 90, plus minus is minus, 5 twos is 10. Now this again inside the bracket, this square bracket we will solve now. Curly bracket keep as it is, 80 plus 90 minus 10 is 80 minus this 100. Now 80 plus 80, 160, because these are in the bracket. 80 plus 80, 160 minus 100. 160 minus 100 is how much? 60. So we got answer as 60. First we solved round bracket, then we solved this square bracket, then we solved this curly bracket. Okay. The last sum, fifth one. 3 upon 5 plus 3 upon 8 divide 6 upon 4. According to board mass, first we have to solve division. So we have to solve this part first. This part we have to keep as it is, 3 upon 5 plus 3 upon 8. This divide I'll make it multiply. So this will become inverse. This will become 4 upon 6. So 3 upon 5 plus, this will 3 ones are 3 twos are 4 ones are 4 twos are. So this is 1 ones are 1, 2 twos are 4. So this I got 1 upon 4. Now see, the denominators are not same. We can make the denominator same by doing cross multiply. 3 into 4 upon 5 into 4 plus 1 into 5 upon 4 into 5. So 3 4 is 12, 4 5 is 20 plus 1 5 is 5, 4 5 is 20. Now see, the denominators have become same. Write the denominator only one time. Add the upper numbers, 12 plus 5. 12 plus 5 is 17 upon 20. This can't be reduced further, so last answer is 17 upon 20. So here we have ended our chapter number 5th. In the next part, I will upload new chapter, practice set 26, lesson number 6, indices.